Okay, hi everyone, Rigiblend here, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Christmas present in Blender. Okay, so you just go ahead and make a loop cut over there, change to invisible mode, hit extrude and scale along Shift Z at X and Y axis. So add a subdivision surface modifier, just clear up the viewport up to 3 or 4 as the case may be, and control out loop cut just to block out everything. Okay, so let's quickly just and loop cuts. That's a mistake. I'm just confusing that. Okay, loop cut over there. Yep, it's pretty much. Oh no, I think we should also loop cut down here. Yeah, to straighten up everything. Okay, it's now time for the bends. Add plane. Yeah, rotate along the x-axis by 90. Shift. Let's add a solidifying modifier and increase that to about 0.2 or 3. So you want it 0.02. Yeah, click the top face, the top edge, and move it up, extrude it along the y-axis to meet the center z line. Okay, do the same for this, extrude it along the y-axis. Yeah, so now let's add a loop cut, drag it up to that position and select those two edges, shift it just to above that. Okay, so I'm gonna straighten this up right now. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so set the origin to the 3D cursor, which is in the middle, and add a mirror modifier and change it from X to Z, and voila, scale along the x-axis to be a little strip or band, and shift D along the z-axis and rotate by 90. Okay, we're having a problem right here, so I think I'll just move this out a little bit and select this one and move it out a little bit. Yeah, just to fit. Okay, now it looks pretty good. Don't care about the effect at the top. Just scale it down a little bit. Yep. Yeah. So it's time to add. Just select that. Snap. No, that's a mistake. Control Z that. Mesh. Snap cursor to select it. Yeah. Tab out of edit mode and Shift A. Add a cube. Yep. Yeah, scale down, of course. Yeah. Move it up, move it to the right. Scale along the y-axis. I think I'll scale this down a little bit. Move it more to the right. And select that front face and scale it. No. Oh. To change to invisible mode, don't you see that? Select the front face and scale it down. Yeah, so I'll move it up and move the front face down. Scale along the x-axis, the back face, and it looks kind of big. Okay, so click the two top and down faces, contribute to bevel. Give it a whole lot of segments. Yeah, just for it to look cool and manageable. Okay, so scale up along the z-axis, move it up along the y-axis, and tap into edit mode. Select the front face, and move it down. Scale down as well, move it down again. Okay. Now go out of invisible mode, select the two opposite faces, hit I to insert it, and X to delete the faces, of course. Okay, and now a simple way is just Shift Alt click, change the edit mode and hit Shift Alt click, And you just click it once and you get it. Then extrude it, then scale it down along the x-axis. Okay, it looks pretty cool. And I think I'm gonna scale on the x-axis as a whole. Go into invisible mode, select the whole front face, and oh no, let me just, it's a mistake there. I'm just going to Z that, scale it up, scale it up, and yeah, looks pretty good. So now position that to the 3D cursor, Shift D, rotate around on the x-axis and press 90. Shift D again, rotate on the x-axis and press 90. Shift D again, rotate on the x-axis and press 90. Okay, add in a cube and scale it all the way down. Yeah, move it up. Touch that top face. Yeah, scale it up along Shift Z. That's not on the Z-axis, contribute to bevel it, and it looks kind of smooth. And I'll select all this wrapping stuff and just scale it down this to match the box. And scale that thing down too. Okay, it looks pretty cool. Not very good, but it's really low poly or whatever. It's just for shots that you take from afar and all that stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the future video.